हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ हाउ आई ऑर्गेनाइज माय डाइनिंग स्पेस। सो विदाउट फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So this is the wooden partition that I was talking about that separates my living space and my dining space. This is a small chandelier that I have just above my dining table, and it changes color. I mean, you can get white and warm color as well. So this is how the setup is for my dining space. This is how I like to decorate my dining space, just because it gives me good vibes. So cutlery on the right hand side in front of that glass, then I have a tissue. You can use a cloth as well. I did not use a cloth because end of the day again I will end up washing them, so use and throw is the best option. In front of that I have an artificial plant, candle, mouth freshener, good old salt and pepper in the front, and flower vase. This is my small temple. I offer my prayers in the morning soon after my bath, and this is how I have decorated it with fairy lights. I changed the flower vase and few knickknacks as well, just to give it a different look every now and then. And I usually burn this candle at night. It gives me good vibes. So this is how my dining area looks. I have also done a video on my living space. I'll link it down below in the description box. If you want, you guys can go and check it out. I have a detailed video for that. This is the wall where I wanted to have a big mirror, but that never happened due to the dearth of time. However, I painted it this color, and I have a beautiful lamp, and beneath that I have a flower vase with artificial flower. So that's that. और इसी के साथ वी कम टू एन एंड, और मिलते हैं आपके साथ एक नए वीडियो में एक नए व्लॉग के साथ. अंटिल देन, बी सेफ, बी एट होम, एंड be positive, spread positivity, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.